We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, in this tutorial I will be showing how to make Extrude in 3ds Max. Extrude is a very basic part of 3D shapes modeling in 3ds Max software. Extrude modifier is mainly used for creating 3D shapes from 2D shapes. For learning Extrude modifier, we will draw a 2D shape here. For drawing 2D shapes, I will go to Command panel and click on Shapes tab. We will see two different types of extruding here. First, which are in closed 2D shape. And the second is in open 2D shape. To extrude, select that object which you want to extrude. I will select the object and then click on Modify tab button in Command panel. Click on Modifier list option and select Extrude modifier from the drop down tab. Here in the parameter section, we can give height in plus or minus value. We can give height in plus value or minus value for giving 3D shape to the object. Here you can see all closed objects have the same type of extruding. But in open shape, we have extrude only on the wall of that shape. Thanks for watching this video.